Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix unable to check for update. An error occurred while checking for a software update. So guys, if you're trying to update your device to the latest version but you are facing this problem, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and if the internet connection is working properly, then change your internet connection for one time. So guys, use any other network or your mobile data to update your device to the latest version. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to open settings in your device, scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and make sure that you have enough storage in your device as well. So guys, do this and go back, and now tap on date and time and set your date and time correctly. Go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, do this, and after this tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and reset your network settings for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.